Hello guys and welcome back to the Gaming Boys. Today we are back in AVIASSEMBLY, and also by the way, I know in the last video I said that I would be doing a review on it. However, there's only one save file and I forgot to save my other one, so I'm gonna have to restart at some point, which is sad. So as you can see, this is the fighter jet that we built. So I want to upgrade this. So let's edit plane. Today guys, I'm going to be showing you, as you've probably seen in the title, how to make working missiles on your fighter jet. So what we are going to need to do is, by the way, these are just going to be so it works. So oh yeah, wait, let me just have the mirror on. There we go. So now what you're gonna want to do, you're gonna want to put that so it'll be on the left of it, and now you want to get a decoupler, stick that on there. Okay, there we go. And then we're then gonna need a fuselage on it. Come on. Okay, come on. So it can be quite hard to get them. Right. Come on, go on the rotation joint. Perfect. There we go. Right, and now what you want to do is you want to then get the scale it down. Like you can have it as thick as you want. However, you're gonna want it so it's, like a missile. Right, so now you have that big, or however big you want it. Now is the pain. Actually, let me turn the snap off. There we go, that's better. Right, hopefully that's attached onto there. Now what you're going to want to do is get that and click the cog. Decouple, you can have it to whatever. Its default set as H, so I might as well keep that as H. And now we're gonna need some thrust. Rocket engine. Yep, there we go. So obviously it's a missile. So it's gonna need something to propel it. And well, yep, you might just to obviously make it look a bit better, you might want to paint it in a different shade of grey, like in that kind of grey. And now what I would do, I would turn mirror off and then change that to J, for example. Now you can add as many of these as you want. So now you've done that. Now also, I remember, also turn that grey. Obviously it will look a bit. Yeah. Now I've not actually tested this. Hopefully this works. Hopefully those missiles don't fall to the ground. Okay, that's good. Oh dear. Oh dear. Slight problem. Right. Go back. Let me just edit. So also, guys, what you need to remember to do is mirror to on and change that. Instead of, you probably won't need brake, so forward Y. I don't think you can bother doing that. So then what you do, right, here we go, now we're on. Now we're just going to go up, and now you can see the fly about, and when you're ready, if you hold Y, oh, I forgot to do. I only did. Okay, well that's fine. Now if I click G, no, G. Right, let me just slow down a bit. Obviously, you'll still go, kind of fast. Right, 3, 2, 1, go. That. Oh, it went. The missile went, guys. It works. Okay, it seems there is a little bit of a delay, and I can't watch that one because I did that today. It seems there is a bit of a delay, but it worked, guys. So I'm just going to go back to base. to edit it. And right, this one, that also needs to be Y. And to decouple J. Okay, so that will, yeah, okay, set that one as J. Okay, J and H. Okay, there we go. So okay guys, so let's just check that when it drops. No. Wrong one. Right. That's gonna be a problem because then the thrusters won't thrust. Okay. So maybe it's because of how big it is. Let's see if we can make it a bit bigger. Ooh. What? It's square. I didn't realize you could make it square. Oh, that would be so useful. Right. Okay. I'm getting distracted. So why does it decouple? It shouldn't just decouple as a whole. What? Okay guys, this is weird. Because if I do, yeah, it just falls apart. Okay guys, I'm gonna, cut back to once I've found the problem to this issue. So guys, I have fixed it. Now what you want to do is get rid of that little pore that was there and then have that as it is. And now I will say it looks cool, however, look, you can see I fire it up and then I click H and then look, it literally just stops. So if we then go back, try and find it. But basically what it does when it detaches, it then stops moving, basically. Because if I then do J, you see it then stops like that. So obviously it still looks cool. So, I'm not complaining. But that's that. Right, so yeah, that's what you need to do. And then once you've done that, and put your landing gear up, and 3, 2, 1. Oh, didn't even video. I guess they are quite fast. So that's not working, because you can hear that. So yeah, it's quite good to be honest. It's if they ever had multiplayer to this would be pretty good. So right, let's try and actually see this time on YouTube. There they are. So yeah, they do get the point. And so yeah, thank you for watching. Remember to like and subscribe. Bye.